Hi, in this video we will learn how to create professional-looking web stories on a WordPress website using free resources, plugins, templates, and free images, videos, and GIFs. So, before starting the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get amazing tech videos. Step 1. Go to Plugins, hit Add a new plugin, and search Web Stories. You will get this plugin Web Stories by Google. Click on the Install Now button and activate. Step 2. Click on the Dashboard button. You can create a new story or explore templates and use them for your project. Step 3. Edit your template here by using this editor. You can edit the texts, replace the background images, and many more. Within the Insert tab, you'll get the Uploads, Media, Texts, Shapes, and Template pages. You can create new pages and add the background images, texts and elements. You can also use the pre-built template pages or delete any page. You can undo or redo any changes you made mistakenly. And you can preview the web story that you're currently working on. Here is the story title, description, poster image, and logo checklist you need to complete before publishing the story. In the Documents tab, you'll get these options of checklist and publishing schedule. Upload the poster in the given right dimension and use your logo. Complete the description and set the permalink. Page advancements mean how long your single story page will be shown. Make it to auto and set any time in seconds. Use the background music or insert external music via URL. In the Taxonomies section, set the category, and add tags separated by a comma. When you finish editing, preview changes and click on Publish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if it makes sense.